Hi everyone. This is my project presentation for the AI customer agent that we have to build for Aven. So a little about myself. I'm a master's student in AI at the University of Florida, and it's my second year. And before this, I have worked with UHG as a software engineer, and now I'm a suite resident at Headstarter AI. Let's go over the problem statement. Here we had to make a Aven customer support agent, which knows everything about Aven and Aven support page, as well as the HELOC concepts, which is what Aven uses while giving us the credit card. So a bit about the project roadmap. I started out with learning about Aven services and where can I get reliable knowledge base along with some of the supporting material or content regarding HELOC as well. Then I architected the whole flow of information that how our chat agents, our voice agents would work, and possible feasibility for certain integration, for example, integration of VAPI Voice Agent in my application. Once I once I set a particular stack, I started creating the text interface first by creating a chatbot interface for my application. And I started creating a knowledge base by extracting the data from the website using XRAI crawler. So every website on the Avens page, every page on the Avens website was different in terms of the content and in term for the right chunking strategy, I leveraged the content aware chunking, which is basically based on the page content. I created a certain regex that would optimize the chunking, optimize the different sections that I would be using to chunk and upload it to Pinecone. So I am using Pinecone Vector database here uh, for my knowledge base. Once I have correctly chunked and upserted the data to the Pinecone, I created a retrieval flow where the user query gets to get changed into the embeddings, which I'm using Gemini for. And the embeddings and the context that I've uploaded on the Pinecone is matched based on a similarity score. And the right context, again, feed it back to the Gemini model to kind of give the user the information they need. So this was the flow for the text interface, and I've kept I've kept refresh knowledge base button in which in case where the website gets updated and there are certain updates to the information that relates to Avon. In that case, I have a refresh knowledge base that kind of refreshes everything, deletes everything, and then refreshes every source that I have uh, kept in my application. Once that is done, and then I turn my focus into the voice agent, which is basically a VAPI agent that I made on VAPI dashboard. It's really easy to kind of integrate. It's exciting and amazing at the same time how easy it is. But yeah, I gave the same knowledge base to the VAPI agent, set up a tool to kind of have calendar uh, sch- schedule functionality as well. Like I added that tool. Uh, yeah, I mean, VAPI agent was very easy to integrate and with the knowledge base I had, so it was working just fine. That is how VAPI agent is integrated here.
Hi there, this is Raven from Aven Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Can you tell me more about Aven credit card?
Of course, the Aven card is a unique credit card that combines the convenience of a traditional Visa or credit card with the savings benefits of a home equity line of credit, HELOC. Here are some key features. 1, low variable APR. The APR ranges from 7.49% to 14.99%.
As you can see, it's working really fine as per the knowledge base I've given. For the chat, let's just ask a question from the support page itself to kind of check what exactly. So I have added something called source reliability uh, dev here. So if my knowledge base is being used by the Pinecone Vector database, I can be sure that it's verified because I've had reliable sources in my. But if it's not, I have kept a failsafe of an AI response here with the tag there that it's a AI response and you need to verify it before doing anything else. So that's the text part of it. I have kept support links here to kind of verify the information that is being given by the chatbot or the voice agent. Yeah, that is it. Some of the struggles I faced here was integrating voice agents in RAG powered applications. I have done RAG, but haven't integrated voice before. So that was one. Every page had different type of content, and for that I had to search for explore the right chunking strategy. And I have for just now I showed like if there is no relevant context, then the chat interface has nothing to show to the user. It gives the AI response, but it gives a disclaimer that it's an AI response and you need to verify your sources. So that was my project. Thank you.